pass that model, object model here. Okay, let's run here what will happen and see. So we are typing value here, save. Let's look at this here. You're getting value here. Play again. Now it's looking for thanks cs.html page. So anytime you get this page, which means it's missing a view page. So we have default view that's indexed, but we need thanks page. So to let's go to this home, right click, add a view, and say thanks, and keep this eraser MTL, and we're gonna keep strongly typed view as a member. And we can use scaffold template. We are not gonna use this for now. Let's add this. Now we have a strongly typed member in the thanks HTML page. To display the member detail which typed by user, the shortcut method is html.display for model. Okay, run this again. First name, last name. Okay, so now we got same index page, same home controller, but we getting the thanks page inside because we passing this action result in the same index page. With same index page we are calling thanks cs.html. If you right click and view this source and see, we got the thanks page details here. So now we type the form with the value in it, and then we submitted the form which executed this action, and then it's called the view page thanks with strongly typed member, and the strongly typed member helps us to receive the data here, first name, last name, email address here. So there's one more thing we're gonna do, just start this. In our next tutorial we will go further how to use the validation control. So for now I'm gonna initiate that section a little bit. Let's go to the member. We want to get, so let's play this again before we do that. When you press save, it's happened. Okay, but the member ID is 0, first name is nothing, last name is nothing, email is nothing. We want we wanted to do the validation here. We don't want just submit the form and receive the empty data here. So to do the validation, there's very easy way. In model, go to the member, we say here is required, right click, resolves data annotation. So as we say this is a required field and this is a required field also. Okay, then start debug again. Okay, I'm gonna save the button. Okay, still the validation is not occurred because we are not checking, we are not telling this index page that you should check the validation. So to do that, there is a code for you which provided by MVC application. Model state dot is valid. If it is valid, then we are telling to go to this thanks page. If it is not, then return to the same index page. Okay, now run again. Save. Okay, so now you see that it says member ID is missing, first name is missing, so it cannot able to submit the form because we put if you go back to the member page, we say only we required field for member ID and first name. It's a member ID is required, member field is required. So if you type the member ID is 67 and text is Bini and test, say so now we got the form submitted very well. So now the data validation is working great, but we didn't like this error message, member ID field is required. So we want to display our own error message. To do that, close this, go to the member page, and there is a data annotation. Required field has a extra property. You can type this, and so you can pass error message string in it. Just do this. Please enter member ID. And same way we're gonna do, sorry, I missed something. Required field error message equal to member ID. So now they're gone. Okay, and same way required field error message equal to please enter, sorry, please enter first name. Is it first name? Okay, first name. Run this page again. Oh, we have an error. Okay, sorry, just close this, run this again. Okay, start type member ID, sorry, press save. Now see our manually entered error message, please enter first name. So we have more control for this error message, and then data validation, we have more control. The MVC3 helps a lot. MVC3 and 4 has a lot of feature which we can control very easily. Even this normal form submission, we can we can create our own form submission. Like it has a default model validation state. We can create our own model state validation. That may be required when we do the higher level project. Maybe this model state is valid is not that good. We can create our own